I got this lawnmower from Facebook Market with non-running condition, and I just went to pick it up. It was like 50 minutes one way, so it was like 2 hour driving. And the owner told me it's been in the shed since he bought the house, and he doesn't need it because he got service for his loan, so it's not running. So Husqvarna HU700F with a Honda engine. I checked oil already. It's good. Of course, needs to be changed. Air filter, not that bad, but it needs to be changed. So I'm just gonna put some juice in the cup and see what's going on. Let's see if it's gonna start. So I turned it off and I tried to start it again. Let's see.